guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going through some of the newly released Charlotte Tilbury holiday collection. So if you are a member of Charlotte Tilbury, you'll know that on the app 2 days ago the holiday collection launched, but in stores it's launching beginning of October. So consider this your sneak peek of maybe some products to buy. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Pillow Talk mini gloss sets. Now each of these come with the lip collagen and a matching lip liner. So I picked up the shade Pillow Talk Fair and Pillow Talk Medium. There is also Pillow Talk Original, but to be honest, I have that in every size variation, didn't really need it. But these, however, are perfect because they just fit in your handbag seamlessly. But what I'm going to do is swatch the shades for you on my full sizes because I don't want to open these just yet. Look how cute the packaging is, I mean. Will I hang them on the tree? Will I keep them in my room? Who knows, but they also do hang, so really good stocking filler gifts as well. Okay, so here are the swatches. So this is Pillow Talk Fair liner and lip collagen, and then this is Pillow Talk Medium and the collagen as well. So as you can see, the lip liner's absolutely stunning, like a perfect everyday nude, and then it's the glosses that sort of make the lip a little bit lighter. And with the lip collagens, they're really fun because they give you a fuller looking lip, but it's not the one that sort of stings and burns and just feels a bit weird. So if you are looking to try them, those kits are a really great place to start. And just a reminder for the price, these are £20 each. But like we said, you are getting a travel size lip collagen and matching liner with every set. Okay, if you are a fan of the plumping lip glosses from Charlotte Tilbury, this year we have a brand new colour. Now this is the Big Lip Plumpgasm Super Maximize, and this comes in the shade Strawberry Chocolate. So have a look at that. It's stunning. It's like a gorgeous pink shimmer that honestly I'm going to put on top of my lip gloss because I love it so much. As you can see, instant shine straight away, but the best bit is it smells like chocolate, which never gets old. But if you're a fan of the diamonds from last year, which was like a golden gloss, this still gives you the glossy glittery look, but it's just definitely more of a pink tone. And again, the packaging has little hangings, so really cute for stocking presents, things like that. Or if like me, you just like collecting these and need no excuse to get it, then highly recommend too. Okay, and then the last product I picked up is actually an old favourite of mine. So this is the Hollywood Instant Look in a palette, and they used to have these a while ago, and it came with eyeshadows, bronzer, blush, and they're just perfect for on the go. You have everything in one palette, nice and easy. But let me show you these colours because they are insane. So with this stunning upgrade, you obviously have the most beautiful packaging. Like every year Tilbury does Christmas things, I'm like, can't get more better than this. Like, you know, at some point they're gonna hit their peak, but no, still going strong. But with this palette, they have brought in new products as well. So this is what it looks like. So your first row are the eyeshadows, and the nice thing is if you're new to makeup and this is sort of your induction product, they are numbered, so you can literally follow it step by step like you can with the eyeshadow palettes and such, so it makes life so much easier. Now if you're wondering, this palette does come in 2 shades. This is the equivalent of sort of the light to medium palette, and then the next one is sort of medium to deep tones. And what I love is this product here is inspired by the Soulmates palette, which was a blush and a brightening powder. This is the Airbrush colour correcting brightening powder. I love Airbrush, so anytime they change the formula, I'm so excited. But this is a matte blush in, I want to say it was lavender they described this as, and then a shimmer to go on top, so you can use this to blend in with the blush, you can use it as a highlight, whatever you want. Then we have a bronzer, and then this is the new setting powder, and I'm obsessed with this because it's so blurring, and any redness I have, it just takes it away straight away. Now obviously you can tell with this palette it is very pink themed, and these are what the eyeshadows swatch like, so it is sort of a very soft glam it's going for, but you can smoke them up with the brown matte included. But these shimmers, oh, they're just so pretty. But palettes like these I love because you can travel with them, they're easy enough to take everywhere, but also the colour story. For someone who's very fair like myself, this is the perfect combination of some warm tones that are still cool based. You know, like I'm gonna have that blush, it's gonna look gorgeous, but I just don't have to worry about me looking crazy. And the bronzer I really like as well, I have on now, and it's great because you can build it up. So you can start off very sheerly, build it up to get the pigment you want, but you're not going to look crazy. So this palette to me is utter perfection. So So with products like these, as you can tell, I'm very excited about the Christmas collection. There are more products that I've actually ordered today that will be arriving, so you'll get a video part 2, I'm sure. But these are the type of products that I really get excited about. So please let me know below, are you buying any of these products? What are your favourites? What you're not sure about? And if there's any you want me to show you, I'm happy to do shorts where show you the product, show you swatches, just in case you're not sure what to get. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I have a discount code that gets you 15% off your first order at charlottetilbury.com, which you can use on the Christmas collection, so I'll just leave that here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!